Hey guys, what's going on? Napkin here with another tin opening. This time we have Yu-Gi-Oh! And it's a wind-up Zenmaister. And this tin includes 5 packs plus 4 foil cards and Pot of Duality. So, yeah, let's pop this baby open. If I can. Let's try to use this scissors or something. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Got it. I got this. Okay, here we go. Wind up Zenmaister. Feels nice. Feels very nice. I like my background. It's a collector magazine and then a Pokemon DS guide. I couldn't find anything, so I just put that. Okay, what's an XYZ monster? It's just stuff to teach you. And then here we are. Let's see. Hang on. Let's get these packs out. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay, I want to check something. This wind-up Zenmaister tin includes 2 packs, 1 Extreme Victory Booster pack, 2 Storm of Ragnarok packs, 2 Hidden Arsenal, number 4 Trishula's Triumph Booster packs, 1 Secret Rare Wind-up Zenmaister, and 4 super rare cards. Neo Parshath, the Sky Paladin, Arc Lord Christia, Elemental Hero Gaia, and Pot of Duality. Alright. Well, first we'll open these cards. Sorry about that. Okay, we have Wind Up Zenmaister, Neo Parshath, the Sky Paladin. These are neat cards. Arch Lord, however you want to pronounce it. Christia. Elemental Hero Gaia. He looks pretty sweet. Not gonna lie, one of the coolest cards I've seen yet. Because, I've just gotten back into Yu-Gi-Oh! Pot of Duality, and I don't actually play, but I guess I'll get these cards and trade or sell or whatever if anyone wants to. And then we have 5 packs. 5 packs. So first, I guess we'll go with a Storm of Ragnarok pack. Okay, here we go. First pack. Hopefully I get something good. Oh, nice. Nice pack. Alright. First card. Divine Relic Malner, I guess. Blackwing Kalima the Haze. Zero Force. Cool. Worm Illidan. And a super. No, not a super. It's just a rare legendary 6 Samurai Kageki. Sweet. Nordic Relic Levitine. Sorry if I don't pronounce these right. Garmer, the Nordic Beasts. And legendary 6 Samurai Mizuho. Sweet. Oh, one more. Karakuri Cash Catch. Cool. We'll go with a Hidden Arsenal 4. Trishula's Triumphant Pack. Next. Oh. Alright. A secret rare. Neo Flamvel Sabre. A super Gen X Ali Birdman. A super Neo Flamvel Garuda. A super Naturia Ladybug. And a super Dragunity Dragunity Javelin. Sweet. I'm going to open the other Hidden Arsenal 4. Alright. Ooh. A secret Naturia Landois. The fabled Ganashia Super. Durac Gallum Super. Naturia Ragweed Super. And Duroc Hera Super. Alright. Well, let's go with the other Storm of Ragnarok. Oh, what is this? I have no idea what this is. What the heck is this? Oh, sweet. Nice pull. It's a blank card. Alright. Resonator Engine. Karakura Watchdog. MDL 313 Sizen. Divine Wind of Mist Valley. Tiki Curse. A rare Verge of the Nordic Alfar. Sweet. Hourglass of Courage. Top Runner. Karakuri Cash Catch. And Worm Jetalix. Jeez, these cards are hard to pronounce. I'll put my supers over here. My secrets, I guess you could say. See, yeah. Then my supers. And then my rare. Not rare, yeah, rare. Alright. And then last pack. I need to put my supers. Okay, last pack. Extreme Victory. Hopefully I get some kind of good pull from this. Alright. TG Werewolf. Red Dragon Vase. W Nebula Meteorite. TGI EMI. And a rare Trade Toad. Cool. Runaway Karakuri. Isn't that like a building? What the heck? Sweet. TG Catapult Dragon. Tyrant's Tantrum. And Unknown Synchron. Cool. I swear I had like 3. Alright, guys. Hang on just a second. Okay, whatever. Okay, for my rares, I swear I had 3, but I don't know where the other one went. Trade Toad and Verge of the Nordic Alfar. Cool. And then for my... And another rare, Legendary 6 Samurai Kageki. And then for the supers, Neo Parsath, the Sky Paladin, Archlord Christia, Elemental Hero Gaia, Pot of Duality, Genex Ally Birdman, Neo Flamvel Garuda, Naturia Ladybug, Dragunity Javelin, Jurak Hera, Naturia Ragweed, Jurak Gallum, and the Fabled Ganashia. All rares. Alright, and for my secret rares, I've got Naturia Landois, Neo Flamvel Sabre, and Wind Up Zenmaister. Awesome. Awesome. Alright. Hope you enjoyed my Wind Up Zenmaister tin opening. YuGiOh. Like, subscribe, comments if you want to see more YuGiOh, Pokemon, whatever TCG card opening. I think I'm going to open a theme deck for Magic the Gathering, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you next time. Napkin, signing out.